The order one nam Equayana, which is shows in the Kumjata, which is shows in our Washama Bulldog, why you say now, Winimakawi and action, Unipan Uniba. I don't know how Bema.
Say, Udi, and then what one? Mom, baby, Kako. So I feel the mom, baby, Kako. Bulldog, we twin and this in another don't go for the sweet deep, pay a time. Must have years to Christ at him. I feel the years to Christ what they do. Now, yes, with the end, they knew me, no matter my cocoon, to talk about. Mean to me, but as a Christian, we will show him where power lies. Or power a better on can be, or better than Sammy.
Oh, be a sorry, Quasia, sorry. No, Abano Becca Christo wants some Potodoko. Oh, Biancabi. Boo God, as somewhere I can say, catch her at the enemy kind. Me say, where Ubenu Hua, Uju, now no me a babasono. As a no me a bank of honest, you don't say so, Ekumamono. Was generations in now, you are going to be cursed. I'm not saying this lightly. I'm telling you, say you are going to be cursed from you to your last generation until you repent and say Jesus is Lord. Hello, I Xposed GHFM Bruce. Subscribe, share me to my now on Sakabi. Boo God was a boo dog, was a boo horse, was a boo dear bell, was a boo aponcho, was a dear you. As some more kind, or me say a generate, I'm a generate. Nana Odia in kind, Peace FM. What to be a boo God, in your timra.
Men ko be private issue. Ubiane no kuku mu asem. But the young Tina on my mua. Ya de nima ne say yeso so sabi preduasa emrante di dimpanifo atem na ebi mom ne yo again na ye ho as on mine ha otwu mu tan o ma we pillars ni bi ni nananam ahemfo wo pa gi tumi a wo Ghana ha nyina from some said den otwu mu tan asante ne otwu mu tan o che wo tumi nya no foko yet ya ene ya teye mutu anenne abaya kukuduro sa obi odi atem no ono wa mi den obi odi atem no ono wa kukuduro unprintable words and someone katete no wontimi nka ne bedwam wontimi nte wo se adua sa menu nka ne bedwam ene ye ka kire mampani and a small boy like bulldog when we grow horns to me the dinner na atem no ko be better who is he? I know look me the Jesus Christ at them. Namin Fabon in Chow, shameful guy. I know why BBO. We have opened the floodgate. I am so sad in my spirit. I am yummy nipa, me deep bonnet, me not perfect, me hunting. But I am so sad within me. So on my crown Ghana. And the moment I'm telling my bow, baby, you Jimmy Diakoduno. So you are able to sit on a live television. Now the dinner coupon by Jesus Christ at them. Namin Fabon in Church or the media Benjamin. And you're bringing the pebia, they will hail him. They will hail him. Say a freedom of expression. Freedom of expression, my foot. Yeah, but now, man, where my associate and fofon swam than you're quiet. Young enemy say, oh, man, you're watching for, you're on crown for, you're crobber for, you're on fante for, asante for, enzima for, you a kubi beneath now your mind, asante mine, or chin mine, fante mine, and in your miantum, that came in album for my back what this year. Me your chini psi me wali santini ko you answer o yen krani o ware se yita ko so o me yakuafo ya ware ho inti ko doni nkabo ne yedete sa suban tan suban fun wei efri hina ba ya di ampanifo nyina atem ameye amene de Yesu Kristo e de yedi natem nyankopon ma na ba ne so amenu mienu yenya baabi nyina stupidity say a freedom of expression. Sa in some me can you come and who was di ankan go pe bia on fanya me ya bedi mind da bia me beg me now for me no bia asem me no di da bia na se Ghana be ye Ghana we be da na ye Ghana we de na just ntimi nye ye mabu na ba jimi sam kwa na kan okromu a nti wo te wo kwano adi do otumfu atema asante hina tema anu wano no eyo sen sa wo te wano no adi asante hina tem enesikani bi okroma ye di na tem politician be edi natem ahemfo edi natem ya chechire maya na say ye nwan China na Dubai ni China ni you can here call holidays no sa no mutete o mu generation we can't just be sitting down and be watching these characters mama yan sorry aso man mama ye wura fie ho a mama yan kai ho say ye free baby ni abeduru ha wona na bi coin ye kun maami bi ye kun na na bi obi de ne ho ba afore ne ne mrantie bi se social media independent ni Ghana ha biem me to wono sabe so oyo soafo mpo na meseni pani wo mfiem na ye pagya ne ma ne be ye pani a mesom no oya mesoafo eni ntina man pani di gidia pawo ne se saa so ye ono no hwe so na nyamu na mai bibi. You have been endorsed by certain political figures and therefore you think you are above power. Bring it on. We are now ready. And media may say, Atama Medi wa chehi income. Atama Medi asante income. They are all Bema. Oh, because he say I want to be dio be atama. Uncle you. Into me ma be di me him me di me papa atem. Me what you pay yourself from despite atemu krom adwum. Mo de be sie. Obi power Bema won ni yourself from despite atemu bi. Mo de mo de be sie. Yamo ye yamo muni mtia ene atendie ne chese nipa ne ikukudrofo emabunu bia ni abre eye entrepreneurship ye guide ye motivate ye ho ye danda ho ye kusekusa ye ho no mo de madwini ho so obi atimi di atam eko free dia ene me mo obi ani despite atam ko free biem etwam kabia wodi ote hatam yensa me di nwotwe de be sinsi good for good hwa kwam se fa kanto wanyo obi ahwe. Boy, see me deep papaya times for nothing. Now they are quite shabby. Yes, I found one. So I don't know what said despite. They're despite in for the Sikanye. Despite a cousin Zoom or bomb so no did despite at them. Foolish boy. You back was what sign some way more Ghana. You back was what send me a teacher mine. Maybe be careful going to minimum. Be careful because it made a Timmy Bano, me no. Say they mean to me papa ko dwa paten kan yango konkume say me kwadi me papa tem ka de ye nyame enso ene hwe na wo be de what has ka dwa ko fi so wo hu ya wo de ne nam krom hai wo bobble wo be media santen nonsense o maye muju kama na nze kunkunkunkum go so ye ne bom pe se agipiri ni mpanifo nyame mom nyansa ni media ahoden no mfa nwe o ma afedie ye di social media no egu ye mpanifo nyina no mas na ye no ne say na me ye no ne say pa na me sana ngran 42 moma sana chen 42 ye ma sana santi 42 moma me say a saban ye twen in discipline anaje o men aboso in discipline. Ubia ya bema, ubia no ya, ubia timiki. Just we don't know how say ya building leaders. Our mobile show. And ubia is at liberty. Say udi and then what one? Mom baby kako. So after the mom baby kako. Bulldog we to the nisi na na be don ko for the deep papaya tema wanya. Musa for odi Yesu Christ atem. Afede Yesu Kristo wona do na Yesu de ende enye na medem akoko Yesu to command me ntimi nko but as a Christian we will show him where power lies or power e bema on ka biem obetene same
kura na to da bi nyame tumi fro won ma won be ya asofo emo ntumi be ya asofo change nkorofo
okay
de me ka wa de say
Matias eja
ebre bi kura no me kotre TV so na me bulldog na me ti say hwa asama me kan ye eti won so awu Kristo faso Kristo eni ko bi say no nyame tumi do won fa bulldog no na mo no bibie ni wa obeka ye wo wano asem a wono ode be fa obagie di say odi tu anamo nyame wo kwan wo fa so osese nipa bia wa asase we so asase we so obi wo prison kora na sesa no say the agrada akoi
Matias
obi ono mo accident na sesa no obi wo ayale na sesa no eti obi a wote say kora na to da bia nyame no reject no won to na nkyene nyame nya abotre ma na ohun nyame ni yie no sakra yi a na afi wode ne wo yie nyina ebedi adanse na ete so a wo be dan e po
Matias
what am I say
Matias ja
obi o de honam ekoye na wuti shows na kum jata wuti shows na wahwa ama bulldog aye say na wuni maka wo ye na action no wuni pa no wuni ba aga na o ma o be me ya I say politician ni afro say kujimi oni ba
okay
ya make what am I say
Matias ja
yes
Matias Mate ntina me se me fro na ma bisa me da ja right odi ahenkan wanu hwam Assembly no one can. But this thing should have been directed at the producers of that show. I'm telling you, it should have been directed at the producers of that show. Sure, Debbie Ameka said, Ghana won. We are lucky to be a nation of peaceful people. I'm telling you. Ghana Nkwana Woba, Chief Imam, and Nisabi, Roman Father, one much now no more bonkomo. Ghana na be obit say me say me Christiani, me now for baby Muslims are me new nase edidibom. That is the beauty of human beings. But ya hwe kwasiafo bi to say boo God any omkasa Ghana bebo. I'm telling you. Because what we be say eba religion, the sentiment attached to religion, you have no idea. In the name of religion, ukwa Muslim for what? Wobi timi the bomb shan ho, wa koku no se mi wi ko paradise. Ai, scholar muwa, no dia shan ho. Wobi timi tro biti because of religion. It's a religion that we shouldn't toy with it. I don't care if you don't believe in what I believe in. That is your own opinion. Ni amijidi no, se wonji ndi anya me problem. Because sabe, in such anya baako. And I mean for so say ni amijidi no jidi. Nemum se ni amijidi no oba bedi who fell there, me fan chawo. Boo God. Se when boo crown se dey yo. Me say ni wo ni awudi minim ade a wosom. Ba ade na wosom no, me ntimi fe ade no kwasea. It is a who ye that bold to come and tell me that. Now we call other platform and saying this thing over and over again. Yeah. Now when you bring the Christian community, the Christian council now, more dina more no me bomb so. Because what we be people go ahead and defend political parties with their lives. Me any political party I'm defending you, be defending my God. Because what we be that is what I believe in. It is a odia hinkan asem na can fair father. Now fair more dieters no. Now mo catch up said that guy should be banned from UTV because the next time we see him there, e bia na nkoya asem papa. Obi wo ho na adwena said that aka trigger keka be trigger no na dane. Na what ho no bi ba ho na nkofo epie wo so a ho na be say Christopher say ye nya bokosa. High time ye bi ani e che nkofo. Your people are taking us for granted. Because Obia sorry, Aquasia sorry, no abano beka Christo who has some potodoko. I'll be uncabi. Boo God, as somewhere I can say, catch then me say, where Ube knew who are, Ujo who are here, now no me a bebasono, as a no me a bank of honest, ya don't say so ekumono. Was so generations in now, you are going to be cursed. I'm not saying this lightly, I'm telling you, say you are going to be cursed from you to your last generation. Until you repent and say Jesus is Lord. And yes, Adia, I expose GHFM members, subscribe, share. Really to my now, Zach and Manuel.
Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.